everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Swift Wellness. I'm Ashley and today we're taking it to my home office so that we can start our day with this simple 10-minute stretch routine. So many of us are working from home right now, which means you're sitting at a desk all day long and it's probably causing shoulder pain, back pain, maybe even pain in your hips because you're not properly stretching or warming up in the morning before you sit. So let's go through this simple warm-up routine. Of course, you can take it longer or shorter than 10 minutes. This is about what your body needs in the morning, so just flow through it with what feels good. And of course, if you're looking for workouts, make sure to check out our channel for 15 and 30-minute options. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a single workout we upload each week. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we go ahead and start this stretch routine, I just want to remind you that this is completely for you. I want to focus on a 10-minute, so I'll be leading you through each stretch for 60 seconds. But of course, if you need a longer stretch to sink more deeply or warm up your body, by all means, make sure to take it. And of course, just to let you know, we're going to start from the head, we're going to finish at the toes, working through that whole body for a complete morning stretch. So let's go ahead and get started. Take a few deep breaths. We're just going to take big, deep belly breaths all the way from the bottom of the sternum. Holding at the top. And deep exhale. Just let that breath fill you this morning. Let's go 2 more. Last one. And on your inhale, we're just going to start with some slow neck rolls, just rolling all the way back, letting your neck just hang, circling in that movement. Making sure not to hold your breath, taking long, deep inhales. Just feeling those neck muscles stretch, those vertebrae warming up. Let's take one more circle, and then at the top, go ahead and switch direction to the opposite way. Tucking your chin to your chest and rolling through the movement. Good. Go one more big circle. And come to the top. Let's go ahead and warm up through the shoulders, taking those big rolls backwards. Taking those deep inhales, feeling the core activate. Taking those deep breaths. Trying to create the biggest circle that you can through those shoulders. Bringing the shoulders to the ears and then shrugging and pulling them all the way down the side body. Let's go ahead and switch directions, reversing that movement. Good. Last one. And then come back to the top. This side neck bend will be one of the first static stretches that we do in this morning, so please take caution with that stretch. deep breaths, warming up where your body needs it. So on that big inhale, I'm going to take my left hand onto the right side of my head. On that exhale, I'm going to pull down, feeling the stretch along the right side of my neck. And on that exhale, go ahead and stand it back up and switch sides. Gently pulling on the neck to feel that stretch. Switching to the opposite side, deepening the stretch if that feels good. And switch sides for one more deep neck bend. Go ahead and let go of your neck. We'll flow down into the chest. So clasping the hands behind your back, pulling down, pulling past your hips, tipping your head to the sky, opening through the chest, letting the neck hang. And on each exhale, pulling a little bit deeper into the stretch. If you need to, you can stand back up at the top for that big inhale, and on that exhale, back, feeling the shoulders sink down. Feeling the chest open to the sky. And stand back up one more time. We take one last deep exhale and sink back into the stretch one last time. And stand to the top. Let's go ahead and warm through our spine through a series of folds. So we'll start with a rounded fold, rolling all the way down, sending those hips back, letting the arms hang, the back round. Slight bend in the knee as I reach towards the floor. Just letting my body hang, letting the back round. Taking deep inhales and exhale. If you want to add a bit of a twist, you can grab your elbows and twist gently from side to side. On that exhale, stand up slowly, feeling every vertebrae stack slowly to the top, your neck, the last thing that comes all the way to standing. And then let's repeat, hinging back, rounding through the spine, gently sinking to the floor. And then standing slowly back up, stacking each vertebrae as you rise to standing. On that deep exhale, let's go ahead and utilize your desk, your chair, whatever you have. We're going to take a flat back fold, something to hold on to and stretch your arms. On that exhale, you're gonna send your hips back, bringing that head in between the elbows, knees bend, gently pulling off your flat surface, feeling the stretch through your lats, through your shoulders, back. As your arms gently pull away from your body, come slowly back up to standing. And then of course taking a step back, pulling deeper off your chair, your desk, deepens the stretch. Coming back up to center. Let's take a few gentle side bends. Feeling that stretch through the side. For a more active stretch, you can switch quickly from side to side. For a more static stretch, you can hold to the side. So go ahead and add a few twists. Making sure to breathe. Driving those knees backwards. Good. Let's finish off with a lower back stretch. Feet just underneath the hips. Fingertips place downwards. Elbows roll back. As I push into that low back. Face towards the ceiling. Letting the neck hang. Just feeling that breath warm up the body. And then come back up to standing. We'll finish out this series with a few hip and leg exercises. If you're looking for a more advanced stretch, you can always do a pigeon pose. You can use your desk, you can use your chair, but you'll take it from a standing position, raising that knee up, setting it on the desk. This is a great 90-degree angle for me. Keeping that foot flexed and then slowly hinging over. Feeling that stretch through that left glute. Leaning deeper into the stretch. Feeling that hip release just before work. Of course, you can always take this stretch on the ground or on a chair, whatever feels good for you. Hinging again over that right hip. You may find that one is much tighter than the other. So sink a little deeper, a little longer on this side. And then stand up. Let's finish off with a few knee hugs. pulling that knee into the chest. And you can add some ankle circles here. Going in small circular motions. Feeling that hip open up, that ankle. Good. Just finding what you need this morning. Good. And rotate that circle. Pulling a little bit deeper on that knee if you can. Using your desk or chair for stability. And then go ahead and switch legs to finish out this morning stretch using the desk. Circling those knees, circling those ankles, hugging the knee into the chest. Deep breath as we finish out this morning stretch. Last deep exhale. That finishes out our stretch routine for the morning. Hopefully you feel invigorated and energized and ready to tackle your day. Of course, if you're using this before a workout, make sure to check out our channel for those 15 and 30-minute options. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a single video we upload each week. Have a great day.